Hey Facebook, welcome to San Diego Mac Repair. Here we are in La Jolla. Great as always. Take a look at our shop. Fixing phones, enjoying the holidays. Hope you are as well with your family. And if you need any repairs for your phone, iPad, computer, Mac especially, we can definitely help you. So here we are on Herschel Avenue. We're by Stella Maris School, which is the Catholic church or Catholic school on the corner of Klein. And we are in the heart of the village here in La Jolla. So here's our little business here. You can see it. There's plenty of parking available for customers. You can see we have the street front retail here. You can see our sign. If you see our sign, you know where we are. Here we are on, this is Silverado, this is the nearest. So we're in between Silverado and Klein, and then this is Herschel, so Gerard is just a block away, Crosby Center. This is the business here. So we can fix your iPhone screen in just under 15 minutes while you wait. Show you some screens that we did today. Here's our grounding workstation. You have to have this in order to protect your device, which we always take great pride in. Here are some cracked screens that we did today. It's an iPhone 6s Plus. As you can see, it has the has that guy there, 3D Touch. An iPhone 5s. Here's a trackpad that we've did this week, which is a very costly repair, but it is great. Yeah, so La Jolla, another thing, we were also featured in La Jolla Light, which is amazing. Here's a little article about us, my wife and myself. I've been fixing phones since 2008, in business since 2009, the original repair shop here in San Diego. So yeah, give us a call. Our phone number is 858-375-9757 if you want any help with your computer, your phone, your Mac, iPad, anything. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.